Imagine you're staring at your screen, a significant amount of money you need to move, and you're thinking, can I just wire this to Uphold? You've heard about Uphold, it's crypto, it's precious metals, it's multi-asset platform, and you're wondering if it can handle a good old-fashioned wire transfer. You need to know, because let's face it, sometimes, a simple bank wire is the most reliable way to move serious funds. So, the question isn't just does Uphold accept wire transfers? It's really about reliability, efficiency, and whether Uphold fits into your financial workflow. You're not just looking for a yes or no, you're looking for the details. You want to know, what are the fees? How long does it take? Are there any limitations? And, most importantly, is it safe? Let's dive into that. Uphold, as a platform, has evolved significantly. It's not just a crypto exchange anymore. It's trying to be a comprehensive financial services platform. This means they've been adding more traditional banking features to their repertoire. And, yes, as part of that evolution, they do accept wire transfers. But, and this is a big but, it's not as straightforward as just typing in an account number and hitting send. There are nuances, and those nuances are what we need to unpack. First, let's talk about the process. Wire transfers to Uphold generally involve initiating the transfer from your bank. You'll need Uphold's bank details, which you can find within your Uphold account. This usually involves navigating to the funding section and selecting the wire transfer option. You'll then get the necessary information, Uphold's bank name, account number, and any specific reference or memo details you need to include. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Uphold's acceptance of wire transfers is often tied to certain verification levels and account types. This means that if you're a new user or have limited verification, you might face restrictions or delays. It's crucial to have your account fully verified to avoid any hiccups. Fees are another essential consideration. Wire transfer fees can vary widely depending on your bank and Uphold's policies. Generally, banks charge a fee for initiating the wire, and Uphold might have its own processing fees. It's vital to check both your bank's fee schedule and Uphold's terms of service to understand the total cost. You don't want to get surprised by unexpected charges. Timing is also critical. Wire transfers are generally faster than standard bank transfers, but they're not instantaneous. Domestic wires typically take a few business days, while international wires can take even longer. This time frame can be influenced by processing times at both your bank and Uphold, as well as any compliance checks Uphold needs to perform. Security is paramount. When dealing with large sums of money, you need to be sure your funds are safe. Uphold employs various security measures, including encryption and secure storage, to protect your assets. However, it's always wise to double-check the recipient details before initiating a wire transfer to avoid sending funds to the wrong account. One thing to keep in mind is that Uphold's support for wire transfers can change. Financial regulations and platform policies are constantly evolving. It's always best to check Uphold's official documentation or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information. In summary, yes, Uphold does accept wire transfers, but it's important to understand the process, fees, timing, and security implications. Make sure your account is fully verified, double-check all the details, and be aware of potential delays. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.